Hello, how to solve this is 4 power a equals 400. We are solving for value of a that satisfies this equation. So we can take log. We have log 4 power a equals log 400. Now if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So the a here comes behind the log. We have a log 4 equals log 400. So we divide this by log 4 and we divide this by log 4. So from here, this eliminate this. I have a equals log 400 divided by log 4. So from here, I can have a equals log 400 will simply be 8 times 25 because 4 times that's 16 times 25 because 4 times 25 is 100, 8 times 25 is 200. So 12 times 25 will be 300 and 16 times 25 will be 400. So what I'm going to do is to replace this with 16 by using that. So divide by log 4. So from here, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So that means we have a equals log 16 plus log 25 divided by log 4. So from here, I can have a equals log 16 divided by log 4 plus log 25 divided by log 4. Now, I can have a equals, this is log 16 is simply 4 power 2 divided by log 4 plus log 25 is simply 5 power 2 divided by log 4. So, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So the 2 comes behind this and the 2 comes behind this. So you have a equals, this will give us 2 times log 4 divided by log 4 plus 2 times log 5 divided by log 4. So from here, log 4 can eliminate log 4. So we have a equals 2 plus 2 times log 5 divided by log 4. Now 4 is 2 power 2, so I can have a equals 2 plus 2 times log 5 divided by log 2 power 2, which is the same thing as log 4. And don't forget, log a power b equals b times log a. So meaning that we are simply going to have a equals 2 plus 2 times log 5 divided by 2 log 2. This eliminates this. So we can easily have that a equals 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. And if you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. So applying that here, That means our A equals 2 plus log 5 to the base of 2. So this is the value of our A. Now the next thing is to insert this for A in the original equation, and let's check if it's going to satisfy the equation. So we come over here, we have check. We have A equals 2 plus log 5 to the base of 2, meaning that we are going to have 4 power A, this was the equation, equals 400. That means we have 4 power, instead of writing A, we have 2 plus log 5 to the base of 2 equals 400. Now, if you have A power n plus n equals A power n times A power n, so what we are going to have is 4 power 2 times 4 power log 5 to the base of 2 equals 400. Now, 4 here is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2. Can have 4 power 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2, and this is raised to the power of log of 5 to the base of 2 equals 400. So from here, I can have 4 power 2 is 16 times 2 power 2 log 5 to the base of 2 equals 400. Now, if you have A times log B, this equals log B power A, because this A comes on top of this. So the 2 here will come on top of this, meaning that we are simply going to have 16 times 2 to the power of log 5 power 2, and this is to the base of 2, equals 400. And from here, we can have 16 times 2 to the power of log 5 power 2 here is 25 to the base of 2 equals 400. Now, if you have A power log B to the base of A, there's A here, there's A here. You have B as the solution, as the output, meaning that since we have 2 here and we have 2 here, so what you are going to have is 25. So you definitely have 16 times 25, which is the outcome of this based on this identity, equals 400. And 16 times 25, you can do that yourself. 6 times 5 is 30, 0 carry over 3. 6 times 2, 12 plus 3, that is 15. 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 2, 2. You add up together. This is 0, this is 5, 10, 0 carry over 1 add here. That's 400. So you have 400 here, and this equals 400 on the right hand side. So this means that the answer is obviously correct because we are getting the same thing on both sides. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.